Tired of playing Among Us alone and ready to team up with your friends to find those sneaky imposters? First, make sure you and your friends are all running the same version of Among Us. Updates can cause compatibility issues, so a quick check now saves headaches later. Tap on the online button on the main menu. This is where all the social action happens in Among Us. You'll see options down at the bottom. To join a friend's game, you'll need a specific code. One of you needs to create the game. Have the person who is hosting the game tap the Create Game button. This will open up a new screen where they can customize the game settings. On this screen, they can choose the map, the number of imposters, max players, and the language. Once everything is set up the way you want, tap Confirm down at the bottom. Once the game has started, the host will see a game code in the top left corner of their screen. This is the magic key that your friends will need. Tell them this code. Now, have everyone else go back to the online screen and tap the Enter Code button. This will bring up a text box. Have your friends carefully enter the code given to them by the host. Remember, it is case sensitive, so make sure they type it exactly as it appears. After entering the code, tap the arrow button on the right side of the text box. If the code is correct, they'll be transported straight into the lobby with the host. Now you and your friends can all play together. Be aware that the lobby must have open slots for everyone to join. Time to customize your characters, wait for everyone to be ready, and then prepare for some serious spacefaring deception. Good luck figuring out who the imposter is.